Hi everyone, my name is Afriko Ramadan and I came from 1A class Ogan, and right now I want to do my excitement to pronunciation class. Fashion is a passion for every generation. Should skirt be short or should we switch to long? That is always the question. Should men wear shirt with button-down collars? Should they change to the wider ties? What say in the style, culture gray or culture green? Should shoes and handbag match? Today purchase may be ancient history tomorrow. Despite future trends and despite our shapes, we must look chic for the luncheon or social event. Shopping is sure to be fun. Alright, I think that's all for my video. Thank you for watching it and see you later. Bye.